Hey, if you're looking for the Rig It Right companion data, you might be finding it or finding old versions of it. If you look up Rig It Right under the publisher's website, you can find it there. If you scroll down, we got about 20 chapters worth of stuff, and there it is there. They have a companion website that it goes down, and I don't think it has the newest version. Looks like it's got version one from the first edition. So that's not going to work for us. So what I've done is I've put it up here on Gumroad under Rig It Right, free companion data. You download that, and it is for the set. You'll have second edition and the first edition companion data. It's free, right? I don't need any money for that. You can get it anywhere. But the book is not included in it. Of course, you can go buy that on Amazon and get it used. It's available out there elsewhere, I'm sure. Just get it, and then here's this stuff here. I've got the link also down in the comments. So enjoy and happy rigging.